So welcome friends, welcome to online learning box, and this is another video tutorial, short video tutorial actually. So the problem is this: the window update, this error and giving me error. If I retrieve this one, because I have retrieving lots of time and it's a pause update for 7 days. So this is the problem, and I have tried to fix this problem according to the window guide, but it's not actually work in my case. So after that I have downloaded this registry file, and it's really works. So all you need to do this simply download this registry file and hit right click and merge, and I will give you this registry file, and voila, this okay. And please stay tuned and watch this video tutorial. After I am restarting this PC, and we'll see what happened. So I'm just now restarting my PC. After that let's see what happened. So well, now I'm right back after restart my PC. So all you need to do after restarting your PC, after restart your PC, so click here in the search box and type here services. So here the services app. So all you need to do, just search for the window update. Search for the window update. It will be somehow, this is window defender for advanced threat protections. No, not this. Yes, this showing here window update is enabled. So click here and start, and you can see this restart. It's restarting. If you click here, this is a start, and in your case this will showing you this kind of thing, login recovery. So manual, not manual, automatic. So okay, let's see, this is a start. In your case you should click on this area, start it, apply, and okay. So now go to this check window update. You can see this problem is fixed out. So window is updating. So if you like this video tutorial, please hit me like for this fixing this problem. So I will give you this two registry file to description box, link below, and hit the link, and it will direct it to your my Google Drive. So download anyway. After that you will definitely fix this problem. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.